Today marks the International Women's Day, and it is a very special day for all women around the country. March 8th is very, very meaningful to our women. It's a day of reflection, it's a day of celebration. To celebrate the success of other women and to reflect and see how we could have made things better for ourselves and how we can make things better for our future women as well as the girl child. But today's day is extremely special for me. I have been visiting special schools around the country, small, big, owned by government, owned by committee members, and so forth. Ladies and gentlemen, in total, we have 17 special schools around the country. And these special schools employs around 171 teachers and around 918 students are enrolled in these special schools. We also have 46 inclusive schools, and there are about 300 applications waiting at Ministry of Education to be processed so that these schools can become inclusive schools as well. Now, we have noticed that special schools, as the word suggests, special, they are special. Their needs are different. They require special teaching resources. They also need teachers who specialize in teaching special children. Even the curriculum needs to be different. And that's what makes a special school very special. We do acknowledge the fact that we need to improve on our curriculum for inclusive learning, and especially for special schools. Our curriculum needs to be changed, and the Ministry of Education is working around that to change the curriculum for our special schools and inclusive schools. And I must admit that we do not have enough teachers who qualify in the area of inclusive teaching. And we are encouraging our students and anyone else who is interested in joining teaching, we are encouraging them to specialize in inclusive education. We need special and inclusive specialized teachers who can actually deliver our special curriculum to our children. There is an acute shortage of teachers in this area. Ladies and gentlemen, the government recognizes the importance of special and inclusive schools, and it is for this reason that we are encouraging normal schools to include children with special needs. And that explains why we have 300 applications waiting to be processed. And I'm very grateful to the school management committees for moving in that direction, and that is including special children in our normal school. We do understand that our children who are in special schools, they need a lot more help. And the teachers who teach in special schools, they have a lot to give. And I have heard over and over again that teachers need extra help in special schools. We recognize that. And we are trying to work out a system where we can assist such schools. For any special child who is enrolled in a normal school, what we now call inclusive schools, the government pays $500 per child for the year. That is our contribution. Besides that, the ministry also contributes the free education grant to the school committee for the management of school affairs. But I'm extremely grateful to the school management committee and of course the teachers for doing a wonderful work in this school. It is an amazing school. I never expected this school to be this big. Looking at the roll number and so forth, I thought it was a very small school with just probably few classrooms. But I'm surprised that is not so. And even from outside, the school looks pretty well maintained, and that shows that the head of school and the teachers have taken a lot of care with the help of the parents and school management committee to create this conducive environment for our children to learn. And as you all know, that the 2021 school year is going to end very soon. In a couple of weeks' time, we're going to end our 2021 school year, and then the teachers and students will take 1 week break, and they will return to school on 8th of April, and that's when we will be starting with our school year 2022. We had to innovate, we had to come up with different strategies because things are not normal. We are going through an abnormal situation with pandemic, and therefore the expectation of having a normal school year is not possible. But I'm glad that my team at the ministry, we managed to work out a system that worked, and we can close 2021 and enter into 2022. So ladies and gentlemen, the other reason why I'm in this school is not only to hand over a few items that was given to us by UNICEF and Vision Fiji, but also to meet the school management committee as well as the teachers. These meetings are extremely important to understand some of the challenges faced by the teachers as well as the school management committee, and also clear some of the misconceptions or even some clarification that the teachers need in relation to their employment. So what we're going to do today, we will hand over the PPE items as well as a computer to the school, and after that we will be meeting the school management committee, and hopefully we can also meet very quickly if I can meet the teachers as well. And I look forward to meeting the students too. And looking at the children sitting in front of me just brings smile on my face. I can see some of the children seated here, they're very cheeky. And to see them seated so quietly is unbelievable. Particularly the boy sitting here. Look at his eyes. But that's what brings joy in our life. And I look forward to meeting all of you. And I will end here with best wishes to our children, also best wishes for our teachers as we celebrate International Women's Day. And I want to wish everyone Happy Women's Day. Thank you very much.
Assistant head teacher, Mrs. Nausori.
Oh man, you are so cute. You are very cute. You know that?
Thank you.
Big job for you.
right, let's go give a big round of applause for our winner and the future winner of our